Little Explorer's Goodnight Ocean, written by Becky Davies. Come and discover a watery land. Whisper goodnight as you swim over sand. Among colored starfish, the hermit crabs hide, safe in their shells from the roll of the tide. Sea horses rest with their tails holding tight, as octopus sleeps in his den out of sight. Watch manatees snooze on the rocks underneath as you peer through the tropical fish of the reef. Dolphins and jellyfish swim in their sleep past slumbering giants who float in the deep. Sway to the song that swirls round in the blue, the ocean's sweet lullaby, good night to you. Good night, ocean, good night, ocean, good night, ocean, we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, ocean, good night, ocean, good night, ocean, we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, children, sleep well.